What are the outstanding designs of Mercedes-Benz G-Class? I think the turn signal is one of them. How to decorate the corner lights? This is a challenge for designers. If you don't want to damage your corner lights, you can take a look at our B11 dry carbon corner light decoration. It fits the corner lights very well. We made an extension. Its angle and bevel are very consistent with the original design of the corner lights. The workmanship is also very fine. You can see that its width is very uniform. And I think good design is not just about adding, but filling the gap. Our set of decorations can perfectly fill the gap behind the corner lights, which is very suitable.